Okay. Hi, everybody. So Sébastien speaking here, uh, like from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. So here today we have a beautiful winter day. It's pretty warm for the season, you know. It's like just a little bit below like freezing temperature. So it's pretty nice, and we have some sun. So today I just want to give a little talk, you know, just about like some to give you my opinion on some what I call some misconceptions that I see like regularly online about the Wim Hof method. What I want to talk about is that some people, I mean, quite a lot. I mean, it's quite often, you know, some people who like, you know, to show like how they they are so enthusiastic about practicing the Wim Hof method that they don't wear any clothes, you know, during the winter, and they don't take any warm showers anymore. And you know, they just do all their hiking, you know, just wearing shorts and whatever, you know. And what my feeling about that is that, you know, if those people are happy like that, it's completely fine, and they should keep going. You know, by the way, it's not. Um, but sometimes, you know, I have the feeling that there are some other people like who are like practicing the Wim Hof method, and they still enjoy their warm shower, and they still wear clothes. I mean, layers of clothes during the winter. And you know, when said they see that, they might think, oh, you know, maybe I'm not doing it right. You know, maybe I'm not doing the real Wim Hof method because I'm still enjoying like a warm weather. Um, and the point I want to raise in that little video is to say that for those people who are still enjoying like warm shower and warm clothes, but still do the Wim Hof method exercises, I want to tell them that you are not doing anything wrong. You are completely fine because there is absolutely nothing in the Wim Hof method that says that you should not enjoy any warmth whatsoever anymore. There is nothing that says that you should not take warm shower anymore. There is nothing that says that you should not wear clothes anymore during winter. No, it's actually quite. I mean, it's actually quite different. You know, what does the Wim Hof method? It brings some cold. I mean, it brings the cold as a tool in your daily life at one moment of your daily life. It doesn't remove warm, it brings cold back in. Um, it brings cold as a tool, as an exercise. When you exercise, let's say you go to the gym to lift weight or you go for a run, you do that at one specific moment on your day. You do that, you know, like I was mentioning that same kind of idea last time with the breathing. It's one time during your day where you just okay, you stop what you are doing and you focus on one specific thing, which is exercising. And so in the case of the Wim Hof method, when and we are talking about the second pillar, the cold exposure, you use cold as a tool, you know, to work on your stress, you know, on your, you know, you induce some like acute stress, you know, and you learn how to take control back on that stress. And that's how you become more resilient. But for, you know, do you know a lot of people who are like exercising all day long? Do you know a lot of people who are like running or jogging, even jogging like all day long? Probably not. And that's for the same reason why uh, you don't have to exercise all day long with the cold, you know. So that's really the point I want to define. So if you still enjoy like warm bath, warm shower, layers of clothes during winter, that's completely fine. You're still doing the Wim Hof method as soon as like every day you do some kind of cold exposure. Typically, like finishing your shower with cold is like the typical way. It can be the full shower, but it can be just finishing it with the cold. So that's the point I wanted to raise. Um, that being said, I'm not, like if you feel that you become like more resistant to cold, like typically like during the winter, you feel you need less layers of cold. Um, it's like it's more something that I call like a side effect of your Wim Hof method practice. Meaning that so for the same reason that if you lift weight a little bit every day, then during the day you will have more strength, to in the real life to lift, like suitcases or like boxes. Um, and for the same reason, if you work on your cold exposure every day, like cold shower, like ice bath once in a while, you might change, your overall resistance to cold, even your mindsets regarding cold, and that makes you like more resistant, and you feel that you don't have to put as much layer as you used to do. But I repeat, if you still enjoy warm while doing the Wim Hof method, that's fine. Um, and I mean, it's actually, it's. I mean, Wim Hof method has a sauna. Sorry. Wim Hof has a sauna, and he likes it. I have a sauna, and next video, I will try to show you my little sauna. How you can build yourself a cheap sauna that you can put in a small apartment. So I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed. If you are happy, living with no clothes during winter and take only cold shower, I mean, go ahead. That's fine. That is completely fine. But for the other people, just don't feel like a bad student because you keep on using some warm in your life. That's completely fine. All right. So that being said, be well and see you next time.